Hi everybody, this is Dr. Hayes and welcome to Masterpieces of Literature. This is a class that I've taught for many years, but to be honest with you, this is the first time I'm teaching this class online. So for your sake and for mine, I'm trying to make it as easy as possible. So the blackboard that you see is hopefully streamlined to make sure that the information you're getting is as easy as possible. So when you look at your Blackboard page, you'll see announcements, start here, course information, syllabus, you'll see the discussion boards, and then under that you'll see week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. So hopefully everything that you click on in each week is everything that you'll need for this class. One of the things that seems important for me is that because I'm used to teaching this class in a one-on-one type of situation, that is, I'm with students, we're talking to each other, we're in a group dynamic. So it's hard for me to really take this class and make it totally about just typing what I have to say. So you'll see for each week that I'll have a little video that talks about the topic we're discussing for that week, gives you some background information on the writers, and gives you a context for understanding and reading the texts. So you'll see when you look at my syllabus, you'll see it'll say, read text, watch Dr. Hayes' video, watch background video on whatever the writer is that we're doing for that week. So that's some general information for the class. What I want to talk to you very briefly about is that this class is about identity and identity formation. It's part of the threads that Nebraska Wesleyan has for its new curriculum. So this is one of the threads. You don't have to take this as a thread class, but if you're in the identity thread, then this class will work for you. When we talk about identity and pieces of literature, we're asking ourselves, well, why is this important? Why would we even bother doing this? And what it comes down to is we're not trying to answer some, huge existential issue that philosophers and scholars have been working on for hundreds of years. What we're really working on is thinking about who we are. What is our identity? And what does that mean when we read a piece of literature? So for the purpose of this class, we want to think about who we are and who other people are, and working to find connections with one another, and maybe working to discover new things about ourselves and new things about other people. So if we read an author and we are looking at the fictional characters in their piece of writing, we want to ask ourselves, well, what is this writer doing? Why does this writer construct this character the way he or she does? What is this character's identity? And if we're reading a nonfiction piece, which we have a few, is to say, what is the author trying to do? What is the author trying to accomplish with his or her own identity in this particular literary manifestation? So when we talk about our own identity and when we read identity in text, we're really asking ourselves the bigger question. Who are we? How do we connect to others? How does everything that has happened till now form who we are? And what does our experience bring to this present moment of interacting with a text? There'll be more on identity as we continue through the class, but for now, welcome to Masterpieces of Literature. I'm really glad you're here. We will, I hope, have a wonderful journey over the next 8 weeks. I hope you guys had a great winter break, and we'll talk soon.